Ready to elevate your UI skills? In this video, we'll design a sleek gradient button in Figma using a colorful brain icons palette. I'll guide you step by step, sharing expert tips for perfect gradients and modern button design. Perfect for designers at any level. Let's start by adding the text for our button. Hit T and type subscribe for the button text. Now, add auto layout by hitting Shift+A. Adjust the padding to match your design style. And set the corner radius to 24 for a modern, rounded button shape. Next, let's bring that vibrant gradient to life. Select the button shape. In the right panel under Fill, change the color type from solid to linear. Hit I to activate the Eyedropper tool and sample the colors from the brain icon image to create a seamless gradient fill. Rotate the gradient angle to add more depth and vibrance. Once you're happy with your button, let's turn it into a component. Hit Ctrl+Alt+K, Windows, or Command+Option+K, Mac, to create a reusable component. Make 4 more copies of the component for animation or prototyping. Adjust the gradient colors for each button to create an engaging animated effect. Now, set your prototyping interactions in the right panel. Add a new frame by hitting F. Drag your buttons into the frame and hit play to see your prototype in action. And that's it. You've created a beautiful gradient button ready for your next UI project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. For more design magic, check out PX Minter on YouTube. Thanks for watching.